artificial intelligence. John McCarthy, who is also known as the father of artificial intelligence, first coined this term in 1956. According to John McCarthy, we have to make a computer such that the tasks which are performed by humans, computers can do. In this video lecture series of artificial intelligence, we will be dealing with types of artificial intelligence, goals of AI, and search strategies. Firstly, we will deal with artificial intelligence types. AI is broadly classified into two types: strong AI and weak AI. Strong AI is if computers typically perform all the tasks a human can do, and weak AI is if computers do a specific task, cannot perform all the human tasks. Now let's come to goals of AI. We have to make a system which think like human, and we can do it by cognitive science approach. The finest example of cognitive science approach is neural network. In neural network, we have to make a machine which think like human, such as the general problem solver. Okay, just like human. Another one is Turing test. Turing test is we have to make a machine that act like human. And the example of this is, suppose there are two rooms. In one room, the human is answering the question paper, and the another room, a computer is answering the question paper, and the invigilator is outside the room. When the computer and human both have written their answers and submit to another human cannot identify that the answer is written by a computer or a human. Computer should answer like this, that there is a human. The example of this is natural language processing. Another one is we have to make a system that think rationally. An example of it is law of thought approach. Suppose there is a statement that Ram is a third year student, and second statement is all students of third year are intelligent. So from the two statements, that is Ram is third year student and all students of third year are intelligent, we can derive a third statement that Ram is intelligent. Okay. Now the last one is act rationally. Rational agent approach. Computers sometimes generate more than one inferences, but in this approach we have to make computer system that selects the correct inferences from more than one inferences, in which systems act rationally. Now let's come to another topic of ours, that is search strategies used in artificial intelligence. Basically, there are two types of search strategies used in AI. First one is blind search, and second one is heuristic search. Blind search is also called uninformed search, and heuristic search is also called informed search. Suppose we want to go to some destination. In blind search, both cost and path of reaching the destination is unknown. But in heuristic search, we will first know the cost of reaching the destination, and then we will move. We will first know the cost and path, and then we will move. Okay. Blind search, current state to goal state. Neither we know the cost nor the steps. But in heuristic search, we will find the minimum cost path. Heuristic search is more effective. Blind search is less effective than heuristic search. Why? Because in blind search, all problems will be solved by given information. Heuristic search, additional information can be added as an assumption. Okay. Now let's see its types. Blind search types are breadth first search, uniform cost search, depth first search, depth limited search, interactive deepening search, and last one is bidirectional search. Similarly, heuristic search, in which we will find the minimum cost path, and cost and path both are known to us previously, has been classified mainly into three types. Best first search. Best first search is a combination of breadth first search and depth first search of blind search. Second one is A star search, and third one is greedy search. In the upcoming lecture series, I will be dealing with you blind search versus heuristic search. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching.